Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? So this is live price prediction of Filecoin. After a very long time, I make this video because it is needed. The thumbnail, as you can see, my friend, is very danger because absolutely this is very good time, my brother. And definitely there is also chance to after a good time. Absolutely, the bad time is coming now. So therefore, everybody know this. Now, my viewers, my subscriber, 12,000 people, 12,700 people subscribe this channel. They are all earn more and more money in a crypto, and definitely they are all trust on ABS channel. So therefore, they will click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. So if you also want to earn money, you will need to subscribe. I hope you will earn more and more money from crypto market. Don't fear, my friends, we will just in only one family now. So you will need to subscribe, and remember to we will not make a financial video, just advice for my all viewers. You also research after my prediction videos. My brother, this time the last 7 days chart is on the screen and 14.21% profit. I see, my friends, all coins which I invest. I think something I invest, my friend. I something 30 to 40 coins, my friend, I invest in this time. And a Filecoin, one of the unique coin, to they will give me a profit in last 7 days, because in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore I can't expect this from any coin to they will give me a profit. But a Filecoin, there is two days, my friend. You can see here they will give me one of the unique, they will give me a profit now. So what's the reason? The main question is that to what's the reason. But remember, my brothers, too, as you can see here, this time they will give me a profit. They will give me, my friends, something 30% profit. But when they fails down like that, so they will goes down, they will decrease now. So therefore, why this jump? I see this is a very danger. I will already tell you to after a good time, absolutely the bad time is coming. So therefore I found this to after this huge jump they were fails down. So what's the reason? The reason was that which I found, my friends, especially short-term investors are starting selling. So therefore they were fails down. And absolutely, my friend, one more to after a huge jump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. So therefore this is the second reason. I found these two reasons, my friends, because absolutely I know I can't expect, my friends, from any coin to earn. They will give me a profit, but this is one of the unique. So I am very happy and very, my friend, I appreciate this too. They will give me a very good profit now, and I hope you will also enjoy, my friend, this scene now. I hope in the end of month especially they will give you a very good profit. But if you are invest, if you are hold, I, my friends, 2 days ago to I invest in Filecoin. And this time, as you can see, my friend, they are in last two, you can see, my friend, September, you can see September 6 to September 7, this is very badly falls down. So therefore I can expect, I can invest. And when after, my friends, you can see here 7, 8, 9, these 3 days, my friends, today is third day. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, when they will fails down, so after, my friend, will they will starting moving upwards, so I invest now. And I hope today also the price will increasing. So therefore I am so happy, and I have no plan to sell it at the end of month. So what you want, please tell me in a comment box. And thanks for watching Filecoin holders. Remember, this is not a financial video. My opinion is for all of you to hold it, don't sell it. Please take a risk and get a profit at the end of month. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.